Hi, my name is Anna. Welcome back to our channel. Introducing the Yamaha YSM20R, the ultimate game changer in the world of surface mount technology, SMT, pick-and-place machines. Investing in the Yamaha YSM20R means investing in a future of efficiency, accuracy, and unmatched productivity. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Upgrade your assembly process and take a giant leap forward with the Yamaha YSM20R, the machine that will redefine the way you do SMT assembly. So, for those who have a business that needs this machinery, this is what you are looking for, and it will surely help you to reduce the cost, time and effort. If you are interested, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.